In lesson 4.9 practice challenge, we're given the perimeter of 25 inches, but we're not looking at the rectangle, we are looking at the triangle. And this tells us that it's an isosceles triangle, which means two sides are the same length. So this side is the same as this. If we have 3n minus 2, that means that this side is also 3n minus 2, and this side is n plus 1. So the perimeter is going to be length plus the width. So we're going to have 25 inches, which is the perimeter, it tells us here, is equal to 3n minus 2 plus 3n minus 2 plus n plus 1. Now I could simplify and write this as I have 3n minus 2. You can use whichever one you find simpler. Now, if I continue to solve, this would be plus 1, I would have 6n minus 4 plus n plus 1. Because I use the distributive property, 2 times 3n is 6n. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Now I have to group the like terms. If the n's together, 6n plus n is equal to 7n. Minus 4 and plus 1 is minus 3. And this is equal to 25. Now I need to balance my equation by adding 3 to both sides. That way I can get the n's on one side. So I'm going to have 7n over here. The minus 3 and the plus 3 cross out. And I have 28. Now I need just one n, so I divide by 7, divide by 7, and n, 28 divided by 7 is 4, 7, 14, 21, 28. So I have found the length of n. That is not the length of each side. So my width is n plus 1, which should be 4 plus 1 is 5. And my length is 3n minus 2. So 3 times 4 minus 2, 12 minus 2 is 10. So looking at this, I'm going to highlight my width is equal to 5. My length is equal to 10. And just to make that clear, I'm going to write over here, the width is 5, length is 10. If I check that out, 10 plus 10 plus 5, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 5 is 25. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25, and I've done a check.